Hey guys, welcome to Nkomedia. Nkiro here. Today I am super excited to share with you this yummy recipe, garlic nuts. I must thank at Healthy GF family for this amazing recipe. Without wasting time, join me in the kitchen. Let's cook. I will list the full ingredients in the description box. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And line a baking tray with parchment paper. In a large bowl, add flour, baking powder, and salt, and mix very well. Add the yogurt and mix until well combined. I am using my KitchenAid mixer. I want you to observe how the dough pulls away from the mixer, an indication that it is well combined. Coat your hands with some flour and knead the dough into a smooth firm ball. If it's too sticky, add a little more flour. Divide the dough into 16 equal pieces. Please don't stress yourself if they are not equal. Mine are not. Roll each piece into a ball. Then, using both hands, roll the balls into strips about 8 to 9 inches long. Then tie the strip into a knot-like ball and put it in the baking pan. Repeat the process until you finish tying the 16 strips. Use a brush and coat the tops with some olive oil. And bake on the middle rack of the oven until golden, about 22 minutes. While the nuts are baking, prepare your sauce if you want to. Heat up olive oil, saute garlic until fragrant and browning. Add the tomatoes and season with salt and pepper or as you want it. Lower the heat and simmer it until it's no longer tart, which could be 20 minutes or longer. The nuts are ready. Let them cool for 5 minutes. While they cool, melt butter in your non-stick skillet. Add the garlic and cook until fragrant and golden, about 2 minutes. Place the baked nuts in the skillet with melted butter and garlic and saute for about a minute. Sprinkle with Parmesan cheese and chopped parsley, and then sit down, relax, and enjoy the deliciousness. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, kindly share with your friends and family, please. And continue to give us thumbs up and leave a comment. I greatly appreciate your love and support. Once again, shout out to at Healthy GF family for this delicious recipe, which I tweaked a little bit. I love you all. See you in the next video.